You are highly welcome. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem here. The question is from geometry, and that is triangles and polygons, right? So now the question states, what is the value of the angle marked M from this diagram here? I would like you to stay focused and see what we are going to do, right? So we have X, Y, Z, and we have another triangle, X, C, Z. So this is B here. We have this place to be B. This is B. So now the question asks us to find the angle marked M. So what are we going to do? So now from here, what we are going to do here, I'm going to be explicit enough to make sure that everything we are going to be doing here is understood, right? So here we are going to considering X triangle XYZ, the triangle. Considering triangle XYZ, this XYZ, so we can see that X plus Y plus Z must give us 180 degrees. That is the sum of angles in a triangle, so must be 180 degrees. So now the X is having this is the X, so which means A plus 33 or 33 plus A. That is what? That is X. Then plus Y is, look at this is 90 degrees, so we have 90 degrees. Then plus the Z is what? Look at this, the Z will also be like this, entire B and 22. We have 22 degrees plus B, then everything must be 180 degrees, right? So from there we try to, let me have A and B, connect them together, A plus B. Then I'm going to have this to be 33 plus 22 degrees, right, plus 90 degrees equals 180 degrees. So we're going to look at what will this give us. So we have A plus B plus, now adding all of this together, we're going to have 145 degrees equals 180 degrees. So now here we're going to have A plus B to be equals 180 minus 145, right? So we have A plus B. So 180 minus 145 will give us what? So now you can see here, what are you going to have here? If you borrow 1 from here, this will be what? This will be 5. Remain what here? Remain 7 here. 7 minus this, we have what? We have 35. So we have A plus B to be 35 degrees. So take note of this. If A plus B is 35 degrees, I want you to take note of that. So now from there, now let's consider the triangle XZZ, right? You know that is going to be A degree plus B degree plus M that we are looking for must also be 180 degrees, right? So which is so simple. Now look at this, A plus B here, according to what we have here, is 35. We're going to have 35 plus M equals 180 degrees. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we're going to do is we have M equals 180 minus 35, right? So if you take 35 away from 180 degrees, we're going to have 145 degrees. So therefore we have the value of M. The value of M is 145 degrees, and that's the solution, right? If you enjoyed the class, kindly follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. So thank you so much for watching. Though we have several ways of solving this, right, but I think this is more explicitly, right, so that students can actually understand it very well. It doesn't take much time to do, but because of the students, so let them understand how this can be solved. So from there they'll be able to deduce how they can solve it in a very short period of time. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share. Bye.